everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay, so how is your day and how has your week been going? So you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very strong belly fat removal, okay, that would actually help you to flush down those fats, and give you a healthy life. Literally, it's also going to help you to flush out cologne, make you look healthy, and glow your skin basically. Okay, so guys, let me take you right into this video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let's go. All right guys, so the strongest belly fat treatment that would help you to vanish or reduce those fat cells like immediately, I'm gonna be showing them to you guys. So you're going to be needing, the very first ingredients will be this, and this is lemon. This is our local lemon guys, because I know some people have actually been saying, oh that is lime. This is our lemon. Yeah, lemon is citric in nature, and as such it helps so very much in vanishing and reducing fat cells, and it also helps to keep your skin healthy, and it makes you glow guys. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. We're gonna be cutting the lemon into two, and then we're gonna be squeezing out the juice. Alright, so I'm gonna be squeezing in all of this lemon juice. After squeezing that, this is what I've got, and I'm gonna be getting a glass cup, yeah, and then I'm going to be transferring that into a glass cup. And also we're going to be needing to use lime. Lime is a very strong fat reduction remedy. Now if you're aiming to remove fat cells or reduce fat, you can trust on lime plus the lemon I initially showed you, but it is actually, this particular ingredient is not an ingredient that you would have to take more than once in a day. Okay, so lime helps so much in reducing toxins in the body. It helps to build up your white cells, and it also helps in removing fat guys. Now if you're going to be taking this particular fat drink that I'm going to be showing you, you're going to be on your way to gaining a whole lot of results. Like, you're going to see the improvement. The improvement is going to be amazing. Improvement is going to be wonderful guys. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be squeezing out all of this lime juice, although I don't know why they usually don't have much juice, especially lime juice. They don't have much of the juice. Okay, so after that is done, I'm going to be keeping that aside because I'm going to be blending it with other ingredients. So guys, cucumber is an amazing ingredient that helps so much for your body, and it helps so much to remove fat cells. Now the juice in cucumber is actually one ingredient that works so well in rejuvenating your whole body, hydrating you up, and equally reducing your fat cells. Now when your fat cells have actually reduced, you are going to be reducing in size, most definitely. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that since I'm not using too much, I'm gonna be cutting just a little piece of this, and then we're gonna be cutting it in pieces. So after that, I would have to be putting that into a blender. And then putting in the lime juice that I initially squeezed out. I'll be putting just a little water so I can have some juice to extract out. Then I would have to blend it. Okay guys, so after that is done, then I would have to Alright guys, so this is my lime and cucumber, and this is my orange, and now we're equally going to be needing to get some apple cider vinegar for this strongest belly fat juice. Okay, so this would actually help to activate this drink a whole lot and make it work superb. Okay, so you have to put 2 cups of apple cider vinegar into this drink, and then I will now turn in the orange. Now the very next thing, which is very optional, I would recommend you don't use it all the time you drink this, is honey. Okay, then you put in just 1 tablespoon, and then you give this a stir. Guys, this is the strongest belly fat and fat reduction juice that you can actually try. This is amazing. I love it, and I know you will love it. So go give this a go. I'm actually pregnant right now, so I cannot be drinking fat reduction juices and all of that. Okay, we need a healthy baby. All right, so go give this a try, and I'm sure you're gonna be loving it. Drink this first thing in the morning or last thing in the night, for an effective result. You can do it every day if you want. Okay, consistency is the key to natural remedies like this. So that's it. I actually cannot take this drink right now because I am an expectant mom, and yeah, my baby does not need to be that slim. Yeah, okay, I'm just kidding, but yes, I am an expectant mom. Okay, so go give this drink a try, and it's gonna help you a whole lot. Now there's one thing I want to tell you guys. Now when you're trying this drink, you should know that you should also, you know, avoid some soda, like too much of sweet drinks, and some too much of carbohydrates. Eat less of food. You're still gonna be happy, healthy, and you're still definitely gonna be full. That is actually when this drink is gonna have time to remove some of those stored fats, and you're going to achieve your result. Okay, so that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.